Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of Poppy.Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a Poppy.Bank and press enter. At the official webpage of Poppy.Bank, you can see the option of login on left top corner. You click on it. Now here at the login form page, you go in for providing your login name. Then you go in for providing your password. After you provide both the details, you need to click on continue where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Poppy.Bank. Just in case if you forgot your password or the username of the online banking account of Poppy.Bank, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot username and forgot password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page where you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your username or password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of Poppy.Bank. Thank you.